So yeah, our first speaker is Irlon Terblanche. When I asked for his, and I thought this was quite interesting, when I asked for his bio to introduce him, he was a bit on the road and in a bit of a hurry, so he actually asked ChatGPT to write his bio for him, which I thought was actually quite difficult. But ChatGPT came back to him and said, "I'm unable to directly access or view web pages due to my internet capability restrictions, but I can help you draft a short bio based on information you've shared with me and other additional details you've provided in your background." So that then gave him his paragraph bio that he just had to amend a little bit. So it just shows what we can, just the little practical things we can use. So yeah, if we can welcome Irlon as a sort of leader and innovator in technology and business from the generative AI perspective. He holds an MBA, he's had CEO roles in the whole technology industry, and we look forward to hearing his insights. So welcome. And sorry, just from an agenda perspective, Irlon does need to run off afterwards, so we'll do questions after his presentation, and then we'll move on to our second speaker. Okay.